So I was gonna do it silent, but I figured, you know, I could talk a little bit. I mean, well, I haven't made a video in a while, so, you know, I could at least bring some commentary, I guess. These are so cute, y'all. I'm excited to wear these. I got them from the beauty store for, what, $2.99? Real cheap. It's the real cute natural look. Y'all, my eyes look so bald head. I like these because they have like the triple lash layer, which I really love. Make it look like you got your lashes big, girl. So you're gonna measure it. Now, so you got the right length. I just cut it in half, but I saw in the store where they have actual like pre-cut lashes. So now I have the lashes cut in half. Oh, now this is a different thing too. Apply the lash glue. You see where it's like this? This is where it curls up. You're gonna apply it on top of the lash where you would place it. If you can see what I'm talking about. So whereas like, yeah, some people will apply like this downwards, I'm applying it upwards because we're gonna put it. And then you just let that bit dry. Alright, so right now I'm about to apply the lash onto my upper lid. I guess you could say waterline. So the upper lid waterline, and I'm about to demonstrate it right now. Like that. Hey, that was actually really. Oh my god. Okay. I think I let it dry too long. Part one, and it's gonna take some practice. Bam. I'm doing the other half. Alright, and now I am repeating the process I did before, but as you see, I am lifting it onto the inner corner, which is not my favorite part, but you know, the job must be done. If you wear contacts, this really won't be that hard of a thing to do, to get used to wearing. And if you apply it correctly, you really don't feel it, so it's not necessarily irritable. Do you see the difference though? So what? Wait, no lash. You see the difference. You see, and so it's a lot of work, but the look you get where it looks like you literally got your lashes done or something. You know what I'm saying? Eyelash extensions. You could literally play it off like that. Cause look. I mean, you can't tell me they ain't extensions for what, like, how you know? Can you see? Can you see it? Do you see the line? Oh, cause no, it's underneath. So you can't even see the line. And that way it looks more natural. You ain't gotta worry about that little lazy eye thing you get going on. Let me put them both on so you can see what I'm saying. But we in business, bitch. You see it. You see it. Now let's get us both right.
Use like Canada. Show me you got moves for my camera. Get your best side. Pretty little babe from the west side. I'm the reason why you don't fuck on left guys. When I needed TLC, you never left that. Hands on your
Alright, so now it is the conclusion of my video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!